A Course in Miracles, Workbook for Students, Lesson 193. All things are lessons God would have me learn. Before we begin with this beautiful lesson, let us do the prayer from A Course in Miracles. I am here only to be truly helpful. I am here to represent Him who sent me. I do not have to worry about what to say or what to do because He who sent me will direct me. I'm content to be wherever He wishes, knowing He goes there with me. I will be healed as I let Him teach me to heal. This is a beautiful theme in forgiveness. All things are lessons God would have me learn. And again, this theme has a refrain: forgive and you will see this differently. Forgive and you will see this differently. And I will forgive and this will disappear. Now, here Jesus starts with God does not know of learning, yet His will extends to what He does not understand, in that He wills the happiness His Son inherited of Him to be undisturbed, eternal, and forever gaining scope, eternally expanding in the joy of full creation, and eternally open and wholly limitless in Him. That is His will, and thus His will provides the means to guarantee that it is done. God sees no contradiction, yet His Son believes He sees them. Thus He has a need for one who can correct the erring sight and give him full vision that will lead him back to where perception ceases. So yes, it clearly states that God has given us everything: the love, the peace, the joy, and forever we are blissful. But it is our perception that brings in the differences. And how to undo the perception? It is through forgiveness. And of course, the greatest message of forgiveness, at least on our earth, was taught by Jesus when He said, "Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they do." After that, they mercilessly nailed Him and crucified Him. And though He's in the course, He says that for they know not what they do, in no way it reflects anything wrong on what they did to Him. And the very fact, what is more important according to the course that His life showed is that even that death, that painful death, did not kill Him. He is eternal, and just because we are from Him, so we are also eternal. And we must also follow in this beautiful path of forgiveness which He represented. Forgiveness is heaven's love here manifested on earth. It is the most beautiful and most inspiring of all teachings. So He says, what are the lessons? All that we see that which contradicts, or all the difficulties that we face, in fact, these are the lessons God would have you learn. His will reflects them, and they reflect His loving kindness to the Son He loved. And so certain it is that all distress does not appear to be but unforgiveness, yet that is the content underneath the form. It is the sameness which makes learning sure, because the lesson is so simple that it cannot be rejected in the end. These are the words Holy Spirit speaks in all your tribulations, all your pain, all your suffering, regardless of its forms. What are these words? Forgive and you will see this differently. That whenever you face a tough situation, forgive from your heart, because forgiveness reflects your eternal blessing of love that you have received from God. And that is a sure way to real joy and bliss that lives within. So even though we think we suffer, but actually we did not suffer, because this world, the core says, is a dream. So he says his son does not remember who he is, and God would have him not forget his love and all the gifts his love brings with it. All things are lessons God would have your love. God would have you learn. Give all you can and give a little more, for now we would arise in haste and go unto our Father's house. We have been gone too long, and we would linger here no more. Each hour, and this is very important, because this particular theme, this particular meditation, this particular thought from that supreme love which guides us, which we are a part, he says, each hour spend a little time today and in the days to come, and in practicing the lesson in forgiveness in the form established for the day, and try to give it application to the happenings that are brought, so that the next one is free of the one before. And it says, and Jesus says, that this is how you undo. Every hour you have a difficult lesson, try to use forgiveness. God gives us his forgiveness, without any reservations. So in likewise we must also extend our forgiveness without any reservation. That itself is the greatest of miracle here on earth. And so this is the lesson God would have you learn. There is a way to look on everything that lets it be to you another step to him and to the salvation of the world. To all that speaks of terror, answer thus: I will forgive, and this will disappear. All the difficulties, all the terror. To every apprehension, every care, and every form of suffering, repeat these self-same words. And then you hold the key that opens heaven's gate and brings the love of God the Father down to earth at last to raise it up to heaven. God will take this final step himself. Do not deny the little steps he asks you to take to him. Oh, how beautifully is the encouragement given to us, that do not deny these little steps God asks, that every hour, whatever difficulty, tough situation you face, suffuse it with God's love, with God's forgiveness. And so all things are lessons God would have me learn.